Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I will show you how to fix you have reached the maximum length for this conversation error in ChatGPT without losing your chat context. Let's get started. If you see the message you have reached the maximum length for this conversation, don't worry. This happens because every ChatGPT conversation has a maximum context limit. After a long conversation with lots of prompts and responses, you will eventually reach that limit. In the past, the only option was to start a new chat, which meant losing the context of your previous conversation. But now, ChatGPT includes a feature that lets you continue the same conversation with all of your previous context in a new chat. First, scroll up to one of ChatGPT's earlier responses. Don't select the response that shows the error message. Instead, choose a response from several messages earlier in the conversation. Hover over the response and click the three-dot menu. Then select Branch in New Chat. ChatGPT will automatically create a new conversation using the context from that point in the chat. The new chat starts with a fresh conversation limit while keeping the previous context, so you can continue working without starting from scratch. If needed, you can repeat the same process again in the future whenever you reach the conversation limit. And that's it. You have successfully continued your ChatGPT conversation without losing your previous context. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.